Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video we will learn that what is loop and how does a loop work in programming. So basically a loop is a practice of designing an AI agent workflow. Like we can say that it is a repeating cycle in the workflow of AI agents. Whenever we give a prompt to the open code or Claude code, for example, we are creating a video or we are creating an image with the help of OpenCode. So we will first of all create a beautiful prompt with the help of ChatGPT or any AI tool. So we will take the prompt from ChatGPT and give it to Claude Code, so it will create the image. But if you want that this process remains same and remains in a loop, in a cycle, so we use a loop, and its engineering and its study is known as loop engineering. So instead of prompt and output, the what does loop engineering does? It first of all plans. It first of all plans, then it acts, verifies, and refines, and after these four steps, then it repeats the process. If you are creating an app, or if you are creating a portfolio, or if you are creating any image through the help of AI agents. So why one-shot agents fail silently? Because of these three steps. First of all is the wrong output. Whenever a single generation has no mechanism to catch its own mistakes, like if we give the wrong input, like for example we are creating an image of a Facebook post. For example, the topic is loop engineering and we are creating a Facebook post for this topic. So we'll give to open code that create me an image and add this themes, add this thing, add this thing. So it will create a simple post for you. But if you use some technical things with the help of ChatGPT, so it will create you a better version of this post. So the code loop, it is to plan, then execute, verify, and at the last it refines it. So in the planning, first of all it breaks the goal into constraint. Next, first of all it breaks the rule. For example, if you give ChatGPT, I'm creating a picture or a portfolio for this topic. So first of all, this is a step one, that it catches the command. After that, it executes on it. The agents takes action. Like there are different agents for different things that are assigned. So after that, it verifies it. It checks the result that either it is correct or not. Either it is good for the result, or either it is as same as we want or not. Then after that, it refines it and sends you the output. So the anatomy of a good loop is first of all the objective, second is executor, third is the verifier, and fourth is the memory. Okay, so in loop we have one type of loop, that is Roth-Wagon loop. So how does it works? First of all, it gives the agent one task and one success text, nothing else. Like there are many agents working on a task, and Roth-Wagon works like that. It gives one agent one task, second agent second task, third agent third. Like the agents are divided into multiple tasks. So the second pointer is it tries and runs the result, read the failure output. For example, if they are creating a project, like they are working on a project, and if they face any failure, so there is a specified AI agent for this task, so it will handle it. The third point is that it will feed the failure straight back in as the next prompt. So like we will give a full detailed prompt through the help of any AI agent, and we will give it to Claude Code, Open Code, or any AI video or photo generator. So the fourth step is that it will repeat this process. Like for example, it will create your first post, then after that it will repeat the same, and it will create you the second post but with the second topic. So the common failure modes it depends on is no exit condition, reward hacking, weak verifier, and context drift. So this was the video that how loop engineering works and what is loop engineering. Inshallah, in the next video we will learn that how to create a loop in open code and how to create as much loop as you want in your VS code. I'll give the link of this presentation in the description box so you can read all of the documentary of this today's video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.